Got the big equalizer. We're gonna go cut a couple of small junk trees and do some hinging. Some people don't like hinging. I feel like it's a good way to get some deer bedding quick, and I need some deer bedding on my property quick, so I'm gonna do that. After I hinge them, I'm gonna go through with Toradol and spray them on the cut so I won't get any kind of regrowth that will make a bigger canopy that I'm trying to avoid and will ruin the beautiful bedding that I'm going to make. So that's what we're doing today. Good to go. She should start. Sometimes they, well, most of the times they do, sometimes they don't for chainsaws. Today when we're cutting with chainsaws, we're using all of our safety equipment such as earplugs and sunglasses. So we're covered. The money shot. That's pretty cool. Found a shed right in a buck's bed right there. I'm pretty sure that's the other side to the one that I found not too far from here. So it wasn't exactly in the food plot, but hey, a shed when we're out here working, that's all right. Ooh, not really chewed either. How does that shed get in here?
He had to have been fed.
I wonder if he was eating. I don't know.
Yeah.
Not a bad young deer. Couple of chews, but not too bad. That's pretty cool. Can't beat that. Back to work. I found this one the other day. Just found this one with Terry now. It's a pair. It's a pair. Not want to shed hunt today. I did not want to shed hunt today. That's why we're doing this. Stop shed hunting. Fresh. That's how you know they're good. You gotta smell them. Make sure coyote didn't piss on them yet. Coyotes pee on a lot more antlers than people think. I picked up antlers before, coyote piss dripping off of them. Disgusting. Ugh. To the next place. So, right up here is where we hunted the chocolate 10 all late season, but I never really hunt over here in the rut very much just because I'm chasing other deer elsewhere, I guess, and we're just out looking for some sheds. Found an old crappy one, and the first thing I saw were these two big scrapes here and the location of it. So, and like I said, there wasn't necessarily a giant buck here this year that I wanted to kill in the rut, but there might be next year. So with some of the sign we've seen in this bottom, you know, there's a couple right here on the same tree together, and then over closer to that CRP there's some getting towards the field edge too. So we're definitely gonna put a couple cameras up in here getting into October to see what's going on. And you know, like I said, hopefully there's a big enough buck in here this rut that I'd want to sit it, but it's just cool to learn the area because you know, we're in a big bottom right here, two big hills. We're totally surrounded. We're in a bowl, and just the traffic in and out of here in this bottom, going up and down these hills and in and out of that CRP is ridiculous. What, probably 5-6 scrapes about the size of this all in here. So definitely gonna throw a camera up in here this fall and see what's going on. Found an old crappy shed. 2 for the day.
Me and Ben are still doing a little shed hunting, come around on the edge of the fields. We've probably both been by here several times, but there's a little bitty one here. I think it's just a spike, but caught it up in some logs. Let's look at it. I found one. It's huge, Ben.
How did you find that? I don't know how you found that.
I'm gonna grab it.
It's incredible.
The pickup.
The pickup of the 11 pointer. I really don't know how the hell you saw that.
I don't either. I just barely seen it. Is that really a tine? My old man eyes are working.
Stacking them. You can make a stack now.
Yes. Full on. I'm gonna use this for rattling this year.
Call them the big ones.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, it's a pretty good 4-point side over there. I'm not really sure who it is yet. I haven't went up and checked it yet, but been down a while. And hey, you know who that is? That's that buck with that. His other side's got a broken G2. Remember that heavy 9 I was showing you at my house?
Yep.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go check it out. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, no, this is the tall guy.
Yep.
Yeah, this is the tall guy. A little bit better than I thought.
Yeah. A little more mass, huh?
I have both sides to him from last year. So I'd really like to find that other side and compare them. Definitely better than I thought, though.
Yeah. More mass.
Yeah, he's pretty heavy, actually.
Good beating length, really. Good deer.
Sucks we're on the way out. Gotta remember where this is. We had a lovely day of some timber management, aka hinge cutting. Means take all the junk trees. I don't really know what I'm doing. Found a pretty good little shed doing that, and it made me want to go find more. So we went and found more. Found this one. Pretty excited about it. It's he broke his G3 early, but they really didn't get him too bad. I got a pair from him last year, and really a little bit better buck than I thought he was altogether. I don't know if he's 3 or 4. Hard to say, but so yeah, I hope he comes around. I hope he stays around for next year, because he'll be a pretty solid shooter next year. Happy to find him. As you can tell, it's a bluebird sunny day. It's kind of a pain in the butt to go out and look for sheds on a sunny day like this, especially in the woods. But basically walked right into it and got lucky. So yeah, these yahoos are excited about turkey season. I stay in deer mode. So gonna finish picking up some sheds here, and got a couple, I don't know, probably about a month to go into shed season yet before I'm really satisfied or frustrated enough, one or the other. And so we'll probably pick up a couple more. Nothing too exciting, I'm guessing. There's still a nice 11-pointer back here that shed right before he came in the last week of the season when there was snow on the ground, and I know it's him. So who knows where he shed, because he shed the first week of January. So yeah. Woo-wee. She's not a shed dog. There's a side. At the bottom. One thing that kind of sucks is he lost his split brow tines, which were really cool, but how about jump? Look, his base has even got the same little kicker on him, or his pedicles do. That's a heck of a jump there for that guy. I don't know if you can tell, but I mean, just look at the...
Yeah, no, it's a really good jump.
That's a big jump.
Mass-wise, especially.
Yeah. That's as good a jump as you can expect a deer to make, really. So, yeah, he'll be all right.